There was a time when creating a video felt like climbing a mountain. I mean, think about it. Scripting, shooting, editing, and then praying that everything would come together in a way that didn't make you cringe. It was a process that could stretch on for days, if not weeks. And then, just when you thought you had it all figured out, you'd sit down to edit, and it would hit you like a ton of bricks. Endless retakes, awkward transitions, and let's not even get started on the audio. I can't tell you how many times I found myself recording voiceovers over and over again, just trying to get that perfect take. The frustration was real. But what if I told you that there's a game changer out there that can completely revolutionize how you create content? Introducing VideoGen AI. This isn't just another tool, it's your new partner in crime for video production. Imagine transforming your ideas into professional, copyright-free videos with just a few clicks. Sounds dreamy, right? Well, it gets better. With VideoGen, you have access to realistic AI voiceovers that completely eliminate the need for those endless retakes. I mean, how many times have you recorded a line only to realize you sounded like a robot? With this technology, your audio is perfect every single time. And let's talk about the people who are already raving about it. Content creators and innovators like Arimas Aranguiz and Andrew Yu are using VideoGen to scale their video production like never before. They're not just saving time, they're changing the game. What used to take months can now be accomplished in mere minutes. Can you even wrap your head around that? The traditional methods of video editing? Tedious, daunting. It was like trying to solve a Rubik's Cube blindfolded. But with VideoGen, you can harness the power of the world's most advanced text-to-speech technology. You know what that means? Your videos can be narrated seamlessly, and the voices are indistinguishable from real humans. It's like having a professional voice actor at your fingertips, and trust me, that's a huge deal. Beth Zesenis, an award-winning speaker, put it best when she said, "Oh my gosh, it's too easy. It took less than 10 seconds. Think about that for a moment. In less time than it takes to brew your morning coffee, you can have a high-quality voiceover ready to go. Now, let's not forget about the editing experience. VideoGen offers a buttery smooth interface that's optimized for simplicity. You've got keyboard shortcuts and browser-based editing right at your fingertips. That means you can spend less time wrestling with software and more time focusing on what you love, creating content that resonates with your audience. And if you're worried about costs, let's talk savings. Fewer hours spent on video editing means more resources to invest in other areas of your creative journey. It's a win-win. Just imagine the possibilities when you can streamline your workflow and dedicate your energy to innovation and creativity. Why wait any longer? Sunny Kakulavarapu, the CEO of Oeshko Marketing, highlights how VideoGen's rapid A/B testing and fast iteration can help refine your messaging for better results. This isn't just a tool, it's a revolution in AI-driven video creation. Don't just take my word for it, experience it for yourself. So, why not take the plunge? Follow the link in the description and sign up today. Because with VideoGen, innovative video creation is more accessible than ever before. Get started. It's free. And who knows? You might just find that the mountain of video creation is now a gentle hill you can stroll up with ease.